Have you ever had whiplash or been in a car accident, maybe a bad sports injury? A lot of people think that the body will just naturally heal, but what can happen? Ligaments can tear and there can be a shift in your spine. This shift is called a subluxation, which can pinch a nerve and cause increased degeneration, especially in the bottom of your neck at C5 and 6. We see this all the time in our office, and it's so important to address it now and not wait until you're in more pain years down the road and you can do nothing about it because soft tissue damage has occurred that's permanent. My name is Dr. Brian Dahmer, owner of Family Chiropractic Center for Wellness, where we get to the cause of the problem, especially with people that have suffered from whiplash. It is so important to put the spine back into place and get back to that nice, healthy position. That way your spine lasts till you're 90, 100 years old, and you never have that degenerative process that can happen after an injury like that. When whiplash occurs and people are in pain, a lot of people will rest. They're trying to let their body heal, but they don't realize what can happen down the road. Headaches, radicular pain that goes into their arms, neck pain when they're turning their head. At Family Chiropractic, we take x-rays. We look specifically at where the misalignment occurred and we adjust specifically the spine back into place, not only preventing the decay of the spine in the future, but getting rid of the symptoms. It's so important to do it earlier than later. And there's been so many articles showing the damage that can occur, even from a 5-mile-an-hour crash. If it's unexpected, the headrest isn't in the right spot, the head travels, it can cause damage to the lower part of the cervical spine. And we focus intensely on getting that back into place. There's normal curves that we point out to the patients that you're supposed to have, and we compare that to what happened after an injury. Our goal is to get you back to that textbook normal. That way you don't have the residual symptoms in the future and suffer. If you've been in a car accident, you've suffered from whiplash, we want to make it as easy as possible to make an appointment. I mean, you can go on our website, drbrianchiro.com. You can text us. You can make an appointment right there. We'll do same-day appointments. It's so important to get some x-rays and to see what the cause of the problem is and immediately start your care. After one visit, you'll already notice a difference, a change, a decrease in pain, and you're on a road to recovery instead of on a road to destruction. Don't wait. Call us. 855-MY-CHIRO is our direct number.